Only 2 bolts?
Well, screws.
Screws, yeah. Well, welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. We're gonna go ahead and help my cousin fix this lawnmower.
I kind of need that. 10? No, it's going to be an 8-watt chip.
Yeah, it's gonna be probably smaller than that.
Hey, guess what? I don't got an 8.
Hang on, let me see.
I could.
Found it.
What is?
It's that one.
You go in the 9.
I literally just looked at the hole size and just grabbed it and put it on.
Yeah, that's what I do all the time. Break them loose. This puppy's leaking oil. I mean gas.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. First, let's figure this out.
Let's get it to stop leaking. It's leaking from the top.
I know that. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Alright. Will it still be leaking? No, I think I stopped it.
Yeah, nice and tight on there.
Well, I get these off so I can get this. Oh, drop that. I'm going to get it.
Where'd it go?
In the mower somewhere. Oh, dang. Okay, let's not worry about this right now. Let's get these off and get this one off. So I can actually.
Well, while you do that, I'll go ahead and do this.
Yeah. Okay. I thought this was a magnetic one. Was it? Okay, come here.
Make sure my camera is catching it. Let's see if I can get it out. Alright, well. How about no? Alright, I should be able to get it, yeah. There's 1, 2.
All out now. Okay. Never mind there, no.
There's one more right here. He's gonna go ahead and take this plastic off on this mower while I get this one.
I'm not taking the plastic off. I'm taking the whole pulley off.
Oh, you're taking the whole thing off?
Yeah, the whole pulley. Yeah, because
Oh.
that's what is being replaced. This goes to this. That goes to that. So there. You beat the
That's gonna be a bit bigger. Give or take, there's probably gonna be maybe this one. This is a 3/8. Yep, I was right. Gonna be a 3/8. Alright, get that.
See how it works. This is a 10.
Well, I got that off. I got the tank off.
Tank?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. But we'll come back to we'll get to that in a bit.
Yeah.
Get. I don't know why I hit it with my tool.
I have no idea why'd you hit it.
I don't either. So loosen. Oh no. I mean that's good.
We're changing the pulley.
Yep. And you actually get to see
How
why-
to change a pulley.
No, I know how to change it.
Well,
Why it's not pulling.
yeah, I know that. That's why. Ha! Jinx.
See, rope got caught up, which... So this pulley is still good. Just the rope got caught up in it.
Yeah.
See? Oh. Yeah. I think this pulley is still good. Yep. Still good.
Is it coming back?
Yeah.
It should be sucking it. All right.
Still good.
Yeah.
Well, it turns out we don't need to change it. It's just, no. At least y'all seen how from his video. I'll try to put a link in his description. I mean his. God. Link in my description for his video. If y'all ain't already subscribed, go subscribe to him. He hit 21 today because I got some of my classmates to follow him.
See, I didn't know that.
Yeah,
Thanks.
I got my YouTube, my school account following you too.
Well, I'll put a link in my bio for his YouTube.
Oh, okay. Right. I cracked it. Possibly could put that up there.
Probably. Let's see.
Oh dang.
Oh.
Got enough slack to put it up there. But be fine. I'm going to change it. Just be safe. Yeah, that thing bent.
Yeah, it's bent.
That thing bent.
Let's go ahead and see if it starts.
Ain't going to start it right now. We got to put the top. We fixed the problem. No, for sure it's going to start.
All right. And then you just got to put this back on.
Yep.
I got this. All right.
Oh no, we didn't. No.
Well, we did.
Gotta loop it through there. People in this video is gonna be like, oh, you skipped that part. People learn from their mistakes.
Yeah. Mistakes.
Oh, yeah, you take that. I gotta take this.
She's lined up. All right, there we go.
Using the head cams today.
Yep.
So, we
You want me to go ahead and put this back together, or just leave it?
Yeah, put it back together so
All right.
it ain't like all around. So, well, he's gonna put that together. I don't know if he's still recording or not.
I am.
Okay, there's ours. This is 139 cc. 139 cc engine. 2 different paint brands.
Oh wait, I forgot. Duh.
A yard mechanics mower on a craftsman. Yard mechanics engine.
I'm gonna look stupid because this was the 3/8 was still on it, and I was trying to do it on the small screw without the 5/16.
Alright, got that fixed. Gonna try it out. See if I actually fix it.
Let's go ahead and see if you got it.
Y'all gonna be hearing loud noise.
See if you got it. It wants to start. There she is. This one's gonna be That big one. 3/8. 3/8 doesn't go right there. I'm gonna have to put it in its spot. Well guys, this is probably just gonna be a short YouTube video. Put all that back together. 3/8. Right there. It's just, well guys, like, subscribe, and we're gonna go ahead and end this video here. See you guys in the next one.